Hi everybody, I bought stuff from shopkawaii.com. I've been waiting like such a long time for this package. I opened all of it, but I really haven't taken a good look at them, so I'm just going to show you. So first I got this like Mamagoma 3D pencil case thing, and I'm just going to open it like this. Whoa. Okay, there's the package. Like, this is the pencil case. It's so cute. I love it. And if you guys want to know what this website is, I'll put it in the description. Because their stuff is so cute. Oh yeah, and they have this special thing where... Hold on. Just a second. Okay. And they have this like thing where like if you buy $100 worth, it's free shipping. So that's what I did. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Super cute. So heavy. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Experiment with that later. And then I got this really cute Mamagoma pencil sharpener. My goodness. These are totally not going to be up for trade, so don't ask, please. Well, maybe, if you give me something fun. Hold on. Okay, I'm just going to show you this. I can't really open stuff right now. And then I got, Kamo no Hashi ni Kamo. It's a platypus. And I got deco tape of it because I really like it. And I got this really cute Mamagoma eraser. Goodness me. It's so cute. And then this really cool pencil. I just love this. See, it's like a little bear. And then like on the tip it has a bear face. So cute. Sorry if I freak out a bit. Okay. Anyway. I got this as a free gift. It is so cool. It's like Alice in Wonderland. Yeah, I love Alice in Wonderland. And they just have their card, Kawaii Gifts, shopkawaii.com. And I got this Chalky. Oh my goodness, so cute. Oh, my coin purse. Oh my god. It's the platypus. Oh my gosh, it's a coin purse. So yeah. And then I got this really big Rilakkuma bag. Jeez. I never expected it to be so big. It's pretty big. Wow. And then I got the cutest pencil case ever. It's like Rilakkuma. So cool. I might do a video about me opening all this stuff, so yeah. I got this Mamagoma notebook pad. My goodness. Sorry I say I'm not going this too much. Okay. Bunny donuts. Oh my gosh, I love bunnies. So I just had to get this. Oh yeah. And then I got this two-way mechanical pen thing. Like that's the mechanical pencil, and then that's the mechanical, that's just the pen. So cool. It's Alice in Wonderland. Then I'm just going to open this. Because a lot of stuff's in here. Oof. Oh no! Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is like a Rilakkuma folder. So cool. Oh my gosh, it's like the 50th anniversary. Oh my goodness, okay. I'm so excited. Sorry if I annoy you. Then I got this Mamagoma folder. It's really cute. He has like cakes. Ooh, and then I got platypus stickers. And Mamagoma stickers. What else? Oh, okay. My bunny donut stickers. Oh, okay. And my platypus roller. Oh, cute. Yeah, so that's about it. Thanks for watching. I might do a video about opening it, and don't forget the link to the website is like down there in the description box. So, bye!